Hello and welcome to NumberX. In this video I am going to talk about how to use ChatGPT to get core principles of any famous book in simple way. And most important part, you will get simple actionable steps that you should take to implement those principles into your daily routine. And believe me, this is absolutely free of cost. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's get started. To do this, you just need to type correct prompts in new chat after logging into ChatGPT. Here is the prompt. I want you to act as a life coach. Please summarize this book, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Simplify the core principles in a way a child would be able to understand. Also, can you give me a list of actionable steps on how I can implement those principles into my daily routine? Now just click on send message and it's done. Here is the core principles and the actionable steps that you should take. From here onwards, you don't need to type whole prompt. Just type title of the book and the name of the author. For example, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey, and click on send message, and you will get core principles and the actionable steps that you should take. Similarly, you can type another book title and author name like How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie, Think and Grow by Napoleon Hill, Awaken the Giant Within by Anthony Robbins. I think it will help you a lot in so many ways. If you like content of our video useful, please hit the like button and also consider subscribing us. Thanks for watching.